Ready to ditch the basic Wix template and build a website that screams professional? First things first, let's talk premium templates. Head to the Wix template library and filter by premium. These templates offer advanced layouts and design elements you simply won't find in the free options. Choose one that aligns with your brand and business goals. Now, for the real magic: custom code. Click on Dev Mode in the Wix editor. This unlocks the ability to add your own HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Use this power to create unique animations, interactive elements, and truly bespoke features. Next, supercharge your site with integrated apps. The Wix App Market is your treasure trove of tools at email marketing integrations, booking systems, e-commerce solutions, and so much more with just a few clicks. Remember the user experience. Ensure your website is responsive across all devices. Optimize images for faster loading times and prioritize clear, intuitive navigation. Make it as easy as possible for your visitors to find exactly what they're looking for. And that's it. By leveraging premium templates, custom code, and integrated apps, you can transform your Wix website from basic to brilliant, creating a professional online presence that truly stands out. Subscribe for more web design tips.